Alright, so we're getting ready to open up this new package that just came in. This came in yesterday afternoon. It's from OPSeat, and this is a GrandMaster Series, all black version. So we're getting ready to unbox this seat and check it out. And they got tons of colors available, so kind of whatever you're looking for, they got it. I like the all black option. That way it kind of left everything open for me to be able to really make it go with about anything. So it says inspect the product before signing. There was no option to sign. FedEx left it on my porch yesterday before I was here, but the box looks okay, so we're going to open it up and check it out. And let's take a look at it and see what we got. All right, so got it all put together. Again, this is the OPSeat GrandMaster Series. And just to kind of give you a little bit of difference between what the Master Series versus the GrandMaster Series. This one here runs like $249. I ordered it straight from OPSeat. And there's a couple things I like about it. Number one, the seat is not as sharply inflated as the Master Series. So even though this is what they term a racing style seat, it's very comfortable. The foam in it is, I would call it very firm, which is a good thing because you should get a lot longer lastability out of it. So it's very comfortable. It's going to take a little getting used to that lumbar cushion. This lumbar cushion that's in here, I've never had a seat with a lumbar cushion. Now, this is a chair that I had 15, 16 years. It's just a little cheap Office Depot chair. I mean, it's done well. I probably think I may have paid, I don't know, $50 or $60 for it. And it's done okay, but it's really, really worn out. When you get in it, it goes sideways and leans backwards. The bottom's just worn out in it. So this one here is my new seat. Also, it has the four-way adjustments here. I like that. So you can turn these in or out. You can go up and down. You can go in or out with them this way. Go backwards and forwards. So I like that a lot. The seat itself will recline back. I don't think I'll ever use it for that, but it does have that seat adjustment there. I'm primarily going to be using it in this fashion. I sit here for hours at times, just editing video and recording different video sessions here at my workstation. So I got a 3 monitor setup that's going here, and so I do a lot of recording and all here, and editing as well. So my office is kind of a mess right now. It's a work in progress. I did a lot of work on it yesterday. I spent 2 or 3 hours up here, did a lot of cable management work, and got the PC, made a little platform to set it on. It's under there, so we're getting there. So this seat here, I had to wait a little over almost a week and a half for it to get here. I live in South Carolina, so this actually shipped all the way from California. So it came in yesterday, and so I'm pretty excited. So far, it's very nice. So I'm gonna use it for about a week, and then I'll finish up this review on it and let you know my thoughts on it as well. But so far, I like it a lot. So I think it's a huge upgrade to what I had before, and so this is going to be a great addition. I did go with the all black. You can get these in all kinds of colors. I thought about doing black and red, but you know, I thought the all black would be the best solution, since the all black can go with any theme setup. You know, you can always, you know, change colors, you know, colors of LEDs and that kind of stuff. Right now I do have a kind of a red theme going, but I can always swap that out to some different color at some point in the future. So anyway, we'll give this seat a try for about a week or so, and then we'll finish up our review of it and let you know what we think. Okay, so I've had this OPSeat for I don't know, about 4 or 5 days now, and I really love it. It is so comfortable. I sit in this for hours at a time, and I primarily am at this workstation doing content creation and a lot of video editing and production, and I love this chair. I love, you know, the way the bottom of the seat's made. You know, I talked about that a little bit when I put it together earlier in the video, but I really like it. That lumbar pillow is very comfortable in the lower part of my back, and then that head pillow is nice too. So a lot of times when I'm rendering out videos, I won't recline the chair back, but I'll kind of lean rock back, and it's really nice. It's so comfortable. So it's nice to take a little break while some videos rendering out. But the only really the only complaint that I've got thus far on this chair is the height that it adjusts up to. To me, it's still a little bit low. I would have thought it would have been a little bit higher than that. So I'm going to do a little research and make sure that there's not something weird going on with the chair at the base. But when I'm sitting down, I'm about 5'11". When I'm sitting down, my knees are definitely bent, and they're on my thighs almost parallel with the floor, which I would have thought that it would have me more elevated than that. I love the adjustable armrest. Those are fantastic, especially when I'm sitting at my workstation there and I'm you know, keying stuff on the keyboard or whatever. I can rotate those in, and it's so comfortable. I can rest my elbows there, and I can easily lay my hands up on the keyboard, and it works great. So I highly recommend this chair. If you are looking for a good quality, comfortable PC chair or gaming chair, whatever you may use it for, I highly recommend this. These will run you around $250. Now, in the description below, there'll be a link that you can click on and take you to OPSeat, and it will give you a discount off of the chair. So definitely use that. It'd be a great benefit for you. And so click that link, and then I'm a affiliate for them. So anything that you purchase through that link, they will send me a small commission back on it, but it doesn't cost you anything else on the chair, and you actually will save some money, and it'll help support my channel. And I'll take those any of that affiliate commissions they send me, and I'll reinvest it back into the channel, buy some more stuff to do some content. I love to do tech review stuff, so I've got a lot of different items that I'm looking at right now that would definitely benefit. So anyway, this is a fantastic seat. Thumbs up to OPSeat. Great chair. It's the best $249 I've spent on a PC chair. It's the most I've ever spent on one, but it's well worth it when you sit in front of a setup like this for long periods of time. Your back thanks you. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the unboxing, the assembly. Assembly was really easy and went together really quick, and it's a great chair. If you're looking to buy one, I highly recommend this one. If you don't need this type bottom, you can get the Master Series. It runs about $40 to $50 cheaper than this one. So I can't really comment on how comfortable that is, but I know this one is very comfortable. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Got a lot more stuff coming, and I'd love for you to leave me any comments or suggestions down below. If you got a question about this seat, I would love to try to answer any questions you may have to help you decide whether or not this seat is right for you. So hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.